Hello everyone, welcome back to Simple Networking. Today we are going to learn about file extension. Check out the description for more information and leave your comments in the comment box. Let's jump into the video. What is a file? A file is an object that stores the information and commands on the computer in the form of document, picture, audio, and a video. What is file extension? In Windows OS, we can keep multiple files and we can install multiple application. But the system wants to know this file is belongs to this one or this application is belongs to this application. So how it will be recognized is based on the dot extension only. So let's take example here. We have keep demo.html. So if you keep this file demo.html, the system will recognize this HTML is the web page. So every file has two names. The first one is the file name. The another one is the file extension. So the demo is the file name and the HTML is the file extension here. So type of file extension. So there are hundred of file extension that we commonly use in the different files. So here we will see some commonly used the file extension. Now we will see the programming file extension .apk. APK stands for Android Package Kit or Android Application Package. This file extension is used in the Android and the Google mobile operating system to easily download in the Android applications in the Google Play Store. .exe. So exe stands for executable. It is a Windows executable file. This file is extension is used by Windows, MS DOS or React OS to install and run the software application. So we are installing any Microsoft Office or any softwares. So all files or all software application will be .exe extension only. .py. Stands for Python file extension. This extension can be created in any text editor but requires a Python interruption to read the file content. It can run in the various platforms like including Windows, Mac, Unix, and mobile operating system. And a very important thing is Python is using for the scripting purpose. .jar extension. Jar stands for Java Archive File. Jar is a open standard file format that is written in the Java and used to handle audios, images as well as a class file to view or extract that jar file in the Google Chrome or something. So .html. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. HTML file format is used to design a basic structure of the web pages, including the various HTML tags such as headings, list, and hyperlinks. This HTML web pages is displayed in the web browsers like Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefoxes. .bat. .bat file extension is used for the batch file that are commonly created in the notepad. This file extension is used to execute the command with the Windows command prompt. Now we will see the MS Office file extension .docx. This doc is the using for the old version of the Microsoft Office like 2007 and docs is the new version. And this file extension is used in the Microsoft Word to save the various documents such as letters, resume, and any other document which is doc format. .xlx and xls file extension is used for the Microsoft Excel extension. This is also same. XLS is the old version and this is the using for the new version of the MS Office. Now we will see the PPT extension PPTX. So PPT also same. This file extension is used by the Microsoft PowerPoint and this is the old version dot extension and this is the new dot extension. PST and OST. So PST stands for Personal Storage Table. OST stands for Offline Storage Table. This PST extension is used by the Microsoft Outlook. This OST is the online storage table when we are opening the Outlook. So the files will be there, emails will be there. So the all emails will be saved in the OST file. And when we are archiving the Outlook files to the some save archive folders, so that file will contain as the PST. but both PST and OST will using in the Microsoft Outlook. Now we will see the media file extension. This is very useful extension and using in the Dewey days. .mp3 and mp4. This MP3 and MP4 stands for MPEG Audio Layer 3 and 4. It is an audio and video file extension developed by the MPEG Moving Package Expert Group. MP3 is one of the most common used audio file extension, and MP4 is one of the most commonly used for the video file extension. Image file extension .jpeg or JPG. JPEG stands for Joint Photographic Expert Group. This file extension format is used by the digital cameras and other photo capturing devices such as mobiles, etc. to state the digital images. .gif. GIF stands for Graphics Interchange Format. This file format uses more than 256 colors to make the images more beautiful and attractive. This GIF file format integrates with the various apps such as Twitter, Facebook, WhatsApp, and Facebook Messengers. .ping. PING stands for Portable Network Graphic. This file format is used to store the digital photos and web graphics and the images that contains the transparent background and raster images. Now we will come to the compressed file extension. We have three important extension file. One is zip, rar, and 7-zip. This zip is the one of the mostly common used for the compression file, and zip file extension or rar and 7-zip file extension files format help us to easily receive and share the files or the group of the files using email, because this file will be compressed from the huge size to the small size, which we can easily and compactly to send the files over the internet. And this file is using for the various purpose, and such as file is compressing, encryption, and more than we are using in the easiest way. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and if you have any doubt, please write it into the comments box, and also you can drop the email in this mail address. Thank you. We'll meet you in the next video. Bye.